guys, today's video is going to be a haul video. I asked you guys what videos you wanted to see from me, besides the same old Poshmark Q&As that I do, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see haul videos. So I went sourcing today. I didn't find anything like too special. I mean, I found two Lulus, but this is mostly like bread and butter type stuff. But I want to show you guys this stuff anyway, to show you guys like my bread and butter items. If you're interested in anything that I show in this video, I will have everything listed by the time this video is up. Oh, first, let's talk about my shirt, because I'm just so obsessed with it. It's just so simple, but I love it. So it just says woman on it, but I love it. I don't know, it's just a simple shirt. I love the color, I love the fit. I do have two of these in my Poshmark closet. I have a size small and a size large left. First thing I got, well, I got a bunch of denim, so I guess I'll just show you denim first. So these are A&A, a new approach. I see this brand at thrift stores a lot, and I don't think I've ever picked it up. I picked these up based on style. I don't think the brand, I don't even know, I don't even know this brand at all. But I picked it up based on style. These are a size 4. They are jeggings, so they're like super stretchy. They look like this, but I liked the bottom of them. It's like a bleached bottom with raw hem. I don't know, I just thought that these are different. Again, the brand, I think it's just a cheap ass, it's probably like a Walmart brand. Is this a Walmart brand? I don't know, I'm gonna have to look it up. A&A, a new approach. Okay, this next pair of jeans, I looked up comps in the thrift store. I was kind of rushed today, so I didn't really spend a lot of time looking up comps, but from the comps that I saw on these jeans, they were decent. This is Melandrino. I don't know who that is. These are a size 8, and I thought these were pretty. There we go. There's like floral right here, and it's like painted. And then on this side as well, and they go down to, oh, kind of goes down a little bit. And it goes down to just regular skinny pants. But these look to be in like really good condition. The patch here on the back doesn't show much wear at all. Again, Melandrino. I picked up some Zara jeans. These were super cheap. These are just pretty basic jeans. Size 4. These are just skinny, distressed jeans with the raw hem. I'm all about raw hem jeans. Look like that. I pick up some American Eagle jeans. I love selling American Eagle jeans. I find them everywhere, and I love wearing them as well. Honestly, so comfortable. These are the Next Level Stretch high-rise jegging in a size 8, and these are just distressed. Again, high-rise, distressed, no raw hem. Lots of distressing on this, and then a little bit on the bum. Got these jeans because the price is right. These are H&M, size 4. These are just, again, it doesn't say. They're just skinny, distressed. Like that. These jeans, I was so excited to find these, and I'm still looking for flaws, because I was like, there's gotta be flaws on these jeans for the price to be what it was. So these are Adriana Goldschmied. These are the Stilt cigarette leg jeans. I have a pair of these. I actually have like 3 pairs of these, and these are my favorite jeans ever. They are so comfortable, but they're also super expensive. They're like, I think they retail for like $130. So yeah, I was super surprised to find the price. They were $350. And it was funny because they were next to a pair of American Eagle jeans that were $9.99. I was like, somebody doesn't know their jean brands too well. Yeah, again, I looked these over for flaws and I couldn't find any. I just think that they didn't know the brand. These are a size 27. And again, these are seriously, these are the most comfortable jeans I've ever worn. This is what they look like. Seriously, an excellent condition. I was so surprised to find those. Okay, this jacket is super cute. It's Jessica Simpson, which is just kind of like a brand. I think she's got some really cute pieces. I don't really pick up her brand often. I think I've picked up like 1 or 2 Jessica Simpson pieces, but I saw this jacket and I thought this was super cute for fall. Denim jacket, but it's got like sweater sleeves, like cable knit sweater sleeves. Let's see if I can hold it up better. Like, how cute is that? I like it. It's a size extra small. Okay, I found this shirt. This is W5. This is an Anthropologie brand. I have sold some W5 pieces in the past. I actually went to, where did I go yesterday? Marshall. And they had a bunch of stuff on clearance, and I literally had a whole armful of clothes. I get up to the cash register or the line for the register. Literally like one row of people, another row of people, and then all the way back to the end of the store. I'm like, fuck this shit. So I put everything back, and I'm kind of bumming because I did find some really good pieces, but I was not about to stand in line for like 30 minutes. Not happening. So this is a cute piece. Again, W5 Anthropologie, size medium. It's a really pretty blush pink shirt with like pink buttons on it. Like they're little, they're like raised buttons. I don't know. It's cute. And it's like a sweater material too. It's like a boxy fit shirt. Looks like this. And then the back has a zipper up here and then a slit right there. I love finding Victoria's Secret pink. A lot of people say it doesn't sell for them, but it sells really well for me. So whenever I find it, I pick it up. This is just a like V-neck hoodie, size medium, and a really pretty purple like fuchsia color. And then it says Pink Nation on the hood. I don't typically pick up Abercrombie unless it's like a, I don't know, kind of like a unique thing. I don't know if this is unique, but I just saw it and thought it was cute. It's just a crew neck sweatshirt, size medium, and it has A&F logo, and it's like sequins. And all the sequins are there, like none are missing. But I just thought this was cute. Cozy. Another Victoria's Secret pink sweatshirt. This is size small. This is cute. I like the colors on this. Like the stripes on the hood and the arm. You get the little doggy right there. There is a little bit of cracking on like the K, but it's not noticeable like at all. Another pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is a crew neck, size large. This is really cute. I want to keep this for myself actually. Super cute. I'll save the Lulus for last. Another Victoria's Secret pink. This is just a pullover, size large, and a really pretty blue color. I feel like I've sold this one before. I know I have sold so much Victoria's Secret pink, but it just says Love Pink on the front, and it looks like that. Okay, I saw this. This is Ivanka Trump. I'm not gonna say my political opinions. I think I've picked up one of her pieces before, and I think I ended up sending it to ThredUp. But this was like, I think this was $2.99, and I was like, this is kind of cute. I'm just gonna pick it up just to see how it does. It's size extra small, and it's a really soft cream colored sweater. But what's cool about it is it has zippers like right here on the side. Like, I don't know, it's an open sweater. Let's see if I can show you better. There we go. It's an open sweater. And then on the sides, it has like these zippers. I found this Victoria's Secret tank top. This is Victoria's Secret Sport, size large, I think. Yeah, just a really pretty blue like workout tank. This is also Victoria's Secret Sport. These are a size small. These are just purple like crop leggings. Looks to be in really good condition. There's mesh on the back here. I can show you right there. Oh, hello. Hi. And then my two Lulu pieces. I actually haven't searched for the sizes on these yet because they just came out of the wash. Okay, so this purple tank top, I feel like it's an older style. I don't know. I don't even know where the size that would be. I think it would be in the seam, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea where it would be on this. But this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty purple like this. I've sold one similar to this, like the wrap tank, but this doesn't wrap. This is just like a, I don't know, like a muscle tank. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to look on Lulu Fanatics. I'm gonna spend 5 hours on there trying to find out what this is. I always have to spend so much time on there because there's literally like every piece of Lululemon apparel ever made on there. Yeah, I have no idea where to find the size on this. If anyone knows, help me out, but I will provide measurements. This, I'm guessing, is probably like a 10, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, and then I found these Lulu leggings that, you know, they're not in the best shape, but I got them because they're Lulus. And they were priced very right. Oh, they do have the size dot. These are size 6. So they look like this. And these are Wonder Unders, maybe? I think these are Wonder Unders. I'm gonna have to do a little research. Somebody told me the difference between a lines and Wonder Unders. These don't feel like a line, so I think these are Wonder Unders. Anyway, they look like this. They're black. They are cropped. There is a hole in the crotch region, but I will sew that up. And you know, we should be good. And the Lulu logo is rubbing off on the back, but there's still life left in these. Lulu leggings I feel like last forever. They're like Hondas last forever. So that is everything that I got thrifting today. Again, nothing like too special, except for those AG jeans. Those are definitely a score. This is just all like bread and butter stuff, but I did want to make this video to show you guys what my bread and butter stuff is. Again, if you're interested in purchasing anything in this video, I will have everything listed in my closet by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to purchase something from my closet and get $10 off, you can sign up using my code. It is Keepin It Rad. Again, you'll get a $10 credit and I'll also get one, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.